Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. We have a dryer where the washing machine is downstairs. So Yorkshire Rose brought this up and says, go and try it. So I thought, yes, I will try it. We only use the dryer when it's wet outside or it's winter and that. Summer, of course not. But that's the only time, so I thought I would just use some of this and just try it. So, put that in there. And what I'm going to use, that and that, out of that little tin. So I've got loads of fluff there guys. I use this little tool here. I've got a nice little edge on it. I've got my friendly Swede. That's the fluff from the dryer. You should clean out every so often. We're fully aware that depends on the wood, if you can get it alight straight away. Do you hear that? So all I used these little tools there, a 90-degree angle on it, some fluff from the dryer, and I'll keep it in there, and I grabbed some wood. Very good. Happy with that. So one last thing, the wood, I put a platform, I've got dry, dead standing wood. That's why there's no smoke. So if you enjoyed this, and if you've done it before, please let us know. Nice little practice. So until the next time, all the best. Take care. Bye.